2022 GMC Sierra 2500HD. With less than 75,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, cooled front seats, tinted windows. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.